this screen is for statistical comparison. So what we do here is, once you have certain types of queries, you want to analyze the content of the calls that fall under those queries, together with their emotional parameters. For example, in one of our live customers, we have put here the best performing telesales agents, and we have put here the worst performing ones. And we have realized that normally you would see here the most frequently used keywords of that query and the most frequently used keywords of the second query, as well as what differentiates query 1 from query 2. So in the live example that we have applied to one of our customers, we have seen that the best performing telesales agents had higher frequency of amount information. Their silence ratio was higher than the other group, which is here. Their block speech count, which is agent block count, was lower, and their interruption counts were lower as well. So what does it mean? I mean, what happens when you have this data that the system gives you? After giving some thought on the data, we understood that the best performing agents are giving amount information while they're offering a campaign. For example, in the end of 6 months, you're going to save $200 if you register to that campaign or package. Mm-hmm. And the reason why their silence ratio was higher is when they offer something, they keep silent. Like in the end of 6 months, you're going to save $200 if you register to that campaign.
Okay.
So when you keep silent, I mean, even the customer is trying to dodge you. I mean, he's trying to get away with you. If you say something to them which is quite clear with an amount information, which is very easy to comprehend, and then you keep silent, even if they try to escape for a couple of seconds, then they feel compelled to think about it, and they always give an answer. So, and also another secret, they're not speaking in big sentences. They're forming small sentences, making a break, allowing the other party to think, and they're never interrupting while they're speaking. So once we understood that, we have turned it into an automated evaluation, mm-hmm. which means we started implementing it to everyone. So it comes automatically. It analyzes people if they have too many block speech, if they have too many interruptions. For example, is the opening announcement accurate? For example, this is the automated evaluation form. How many interruption? How many dissatisfaction? And if you define, for example, opening announcement, how can I help you? How may I help you? Suppose you say, from now on, you're going to use this opening announcement, and you made it like an automated evaluation form, which means 100% of the conversations in your contact center will be analyzed, and the agents will be scored based on this. Or if you say, I don't want you to make interruptions, I don't want you to make block speech, then you can also analyze that. So if the agent, for example, if the customer expresses lack of information, for example, I don't know this, but I will check this type of stuff, you can also score that one because you never want to have this. So any type of insight that you receive from your analytics, you can formulate it as a way of automatically evaluating your agents, and it will give you the best results.